Experience the benefits of Chinese PCB assembly today. Winnow. Are you looking for an affordable and reliable way to manufacture your printed circuit boards, PCB? Chinese PCB assembly may be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll discuss what Chinese PCB assembly is, the benefits it provides, and how to find the right Chinese PCB assembly supplier for your project. So, let's get started. What is Chinese PCB assembly? Chinese PCB assembly is a process wherein printed circuit boards are manufactured in China. This type of PCB assembly involves the use of surface mount technology, SMT, to assemble the components onto the board. This process is often faster, more cost-effective, and more reliable than other PCB assembly methods. To put it simply, Chinese PCB assembly is a great way to reduce costs and improve the quality of your products. Benefits of Chinese PCB assembly. When it comes to PCB assembly, there are several benefits to using Chinese PCB assembly. First, the cost savings associated with Chinese PCB assembly are undeniable. By sourcing components and services from China, you can cut down on overhead costs and receive the same quality product at a fraction of the price. In addition to the cost savings, Chinese PCB assembly also offers fast turnaround times. Chinese factories are known for their efficiency and can produce high-quality PCBs in short periods of time. This makes it easier to meet tight deadlines and keep up with the demands of the market. Finally, Chinese PCB assembly is also a great option if you're looking for high-quality components. Chinese factories are well known for their attention to detail and are often equipped with the latest technology. Cost-effectiveness of Chinese PCB assembly. The cost savings associated with Chinese PCB assembly are one of the main reasons why it's such a popular option. By sourcing components and services from China, you can reduce overhead costs and receive the same quality product at a fraction of the price. This makes it easier to stay within your budget and ensure that your project is successful. Moreover, Chinese PCB assembly is also known for its efficiency. Chinese factories are known for their ability to produce high-quality PCBs in short periods of time, which makes it easier to meet tight deadlines and keep up with the demands of the market. Quality assurance of Chinese PCB assembly. When it comes to PCB assembly, quality is paramount. Chinese PCB assembly is known for its attention to detail and high-quality components. Chinese factories are equipped with the latest technology to ensure that the finished product is of the highest quality. This means that you can rest assured that the PCBs you receive will be reliable and durable. In addition, Chinese PCB assembly is also known for its strict quality control processes. Chinese factories are required to adhere to stringent standards and are closely monitored to ensure that they meet these standards. This makes it easier to ensure that the PCBs you receive are of the highest quality and will perform as expected. Design considerations for Chinese PCB assembly. When it comes to designing a PCB for Chinese PCB assembly, there are several considerations to keep in mind. First, you'll need to decide what type of components you'll be using. Chinese factories are well equipped to handle all types of components, but some components may require special equipment or processes. In addition, you'll also need to consider the size of the PCB you'll be using. Chinese factories often have minimum and maximum size requirements, so it's important to keep this in mind when designing your PCB. You'll also need to consider the complexity of the PCB design, as some designs may require more time and resources to assemble. How to find reliable Chinese PCB assembly suppliers. Finding reliable Chinese PCB assembly suppliers is essential for your success. To begin your search, you'll want to start by researching the different suppliers available. There are a variety of websites and forums where you can find reviews and feedback from other customers. What to look for in a Chinese PCB assembly supplier. When it comes to selecting a Chinese PCB assembly supplier, there are a few key factors to consider. First, you'll want to make sure the supplier is experienced and knowledgeable. It's important to choose a supplier that has years of experience in the industry and a track record of successful projects. How to choose the right Chinese PCB assembly service. Once you've identified a few potential suppliers, it's time to decide which one is right for your project. While cost is obviously an important factor, it's not the only factor to consider. You'll want to make sure the supplier is experienced and knowledgeable, reliable and trustworthy, and up to date on the latest technology. Conclusion. Chinese PCB assembly is a great option for anyone looking for an affordable and reliable way to manufacture their printed circuit boards. It offers a number of benefits, including cost savings, fast turnaround times, and high-quality components. It's important to do your research to find a reliable and trustworthy Chinese PCB assembly supplier that can meet your needs. By keeping these considerations in mind, you can be sure to get the best possible service and the highest quality PCBs for your project. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the benefits of Chinese PCB assembly today. Visit our website, Winnow PCBA.